QuickHouse achieved a remarkable goal by completing in just 42 days the construction of the largest modular school in Latin America to meet an emergency educational demand and completing the construction of a school in record time. The Darcy Ribeiro School, located in Florianópolis, Brazil, achieved a remarkable feat by being the fastest-built school in all of Latin America. In an incredibly short period of 42 days, this educational institution showed to all of Latin America its remarkable capacity for innovation in the field of construction. With 33,000 square feet of facilities built by QuickHouse, a leader in the industrialized construction market. What's behind this remarkable success? The steel panel construction system, widely recognized for its efficiency and versatility, played a crucial role in transforming the construction process of the Darcy Ribeiro School by adopting an industrialized and modular construction approach. The school led a true revolution in the construction segment, with the support of the Florianópolis city government, which recognized the urgency of providing more high-quality educational spaces. The Darcy Ribeiro School stood out as an inspiring example of how innovation can meet community needs. In addition to benefiting over 1,200 students, creating an exceptional learning environment, this helped QuickHouse to show that innovation in construction can make a difference and serve as a model for future projects. Nowadays, the Darcy Ribeiro School is not just an educational institution. It's a symbol of how commitment and innovation can change the world. This inspiring story of overcoming challenges and achieving a notable milestone reflects the school's commitment to excellence in education and construction, leaving a lasting legacy of progress and opportunity. QuickHouse, building solutions.